Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and open a real account on Metatrader 5. So this is helpful if you want to set up your account directly from the MT5 mobile app and get started with the basic registration process. So to begin, open the Metatrader 5 app on your phone, and once the app is open, look at the menu at the bottom of the screen and tap Messages. After that, you should see the options for register and sign in. Since this guide is for creating a new account, tap register. Now, the registration page will open. Enter your email address in the required field, then tap the register button to continue. You may also see an option to sign up with Google, so you can choose that if it's easier for you. And from there, just follow the instructions shown on the screen to finish setting up your account. And once everything is complete, your MetaTrader 5 real account should be ready now. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.